Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new contact in AgentDealer. The good news is that creating a new contact is really easy, but there is one important detail to remember. You always need to make sure the best practice that you create a contact that is related to a business, because contacts that aren't related to businesses, they're like boats adrift in the ocean. They kind of are hard to keep track of. So the best way to make sure you're relating it properly to a business is to go to the business record. So let's say we wanted to create a contact for Brooks Bagels. So we click on Brooks Bagels and we're at the Brooks Bagels business record. And we're going to go into the related contacts link in the quick links section here in the page. Hover over related contacts, a new window pops up. Mouse into that window and scroll all the way over to the right. And we're going to click on new contact. Now this step, not everyone will see, depending on how your system was set up and what your role or profile is within your organization. You might or might not see this step. If you do, select the appropriate record type. If not, don't worry about it. You'll just go straight to the form to fill out for the new contact. Again, this is going to look different for everyone because everyone's systems are set up and spec'd out a little bit differently, but there are some commonalities, one of which is a little red asterisk right there to the left of the word last. Whenever you see an asterisk, red asterisk, that tells you that that field is required to be filled out. If you see any of these circles with an I in there, that additional information, you hover over the circle and it gives you more information about that field. So we met Pete Smith today. And Pete works in the IT department. Let's say he's a database manager. And we're going to pop up over here. It's always a good rule of thumb is whatever information you have on hand, go ahead and put that in as you're creating the record, because you never know when you're going to need it. And you never know what's going to help you create a marketing campaign or an email campaign or something like that. So just like with businesses, you always want to put in whatever information you have to go ahead and start creating a really robust data structure. So we're just going to put in p.smith at brooksbagels.com. And you see here, it's already related to Brooks Bagels because we created it at the business level. Now he is, let's say he's an evaluator of whatever it is we're going to be selling. So we could go ahead and click save right now. Well, let's say we met two people today. We met Pete and we met Mary. So I could click save and new. It'll save the Pete Smith record and then bring me back to this document here to fill out for creating the second contact. So I'll go ahead and click save for now because we only have one contact to put in. Now, if you need to relate a contact to multiple businesses, you should go to the support community and watch the video called One Contact, Multiple Businesses, and it'll show you all the details about how that works within AgentDealer. Thank you very much.